These ocean animal videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. They are pulling in insane number of views. And I genuinely think this is going to be the next viral AI trend. And now watch what I personally created with Topview AI in just 5 minutes. Let me show you how you can also make these type of videos. First, open the document link I had provided in description. Here you will find a master prompt. Copy this master prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt in prompt box and hit enter. Then GPT will provide us 10 different video ideas. You can also provide your own idea, but for now I am going with fifth one. Then GPT will provide us a highly detailed video prompt for our video. Copy this whole prompt. To generate these ocean animal videos, we are going to use the Seedance 2.5 feature from Topview AI. You will find Topview AI link in top of description. Here go to Seedance 2.5 feature. Topview AI provides us many features, like we can upload a reference video or image to generate our video. We can also turn any image to video using image to video feature. But for now, we will use text to video. Here, paste the video prompt in prompt box. Set your desired aspect ratio. Set the video duration to 20 seconds. Choose video quality and choose your number of outputs. Then click Generate. Then within a minute, Topview AI will generate our video. And here it is. Let's watch the final result together. It looks incredible, just like the real ocean floor video. Download it from here. That's the magic of Topview AI. And here is a surprising part. We have 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 in Topview AI. So check out Topview AI link in description and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials.